Welcome back to CS Garage. This is part 10 of my 1970 Monte Carlo Pro Touring build. If you're new, welcome. Please like and subscribe. Share this video. Follow along in this build series. I'm planning on doing this whole build in my garage, which I've done so far. In the last video, I showed the assembly of my quick performance 9-inch rear end that you see right here. And that's what we're going to be doing today, is installing it into my 1970 Monte Carlo. I've already done some prep work. I've got the coilovers already assembled and I've installed the lower control arms. Let's check that out real quick. Pretty straightforward stuff. You guys probably seen this before, but I want to document my build and share my journey with you all. Do you see looking pretty good under here? All the work that I've done previous, so I'm pretty happy with it. Anyways, enough of that. Let's get rolling along. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set you guys up on the tripod and time lapse, and so you can see how this installation goes. So let's get at it. Alright guys, I had you on a time lapse. I hope most of that is filmed. I guess I'm going to find out when I do the editing. Right now I got a snag because I have this rear end dolly kind of in the way. I have it jacked up right now. I can't get it to rotate anymore, so I'm going to bring you guys back once I get that out of the way and have it jacked up properly so I can get these lower bolts, or these lower control arms bolted up. So I will bring you guys back when I have got that figured out. Okay guys. Yeah, as you can see, I got it all bolted up. Took some finagling to get the rear lower control arm bolts in, and to get that axle dolly, whatever you want to call it, that's over there, out of the way. Able to do it pretty easy overall, I think. Thing is a nice piece, really great. I mean, it's a nice piece, and it's bolted right in, not a problem. One of the things I didn't talk about earlier is these upper control arms. You want to measure them center to center, bolt to bolt, and make sure that they match the old control arms that you take out. Mine are like 10 and 5/16 of an inch on each side. I did that, then snugged them up. Just make sure they're even. What else? The next thing I gotta do is the lower coilover brackets. Looks like they're gonna work. They're supplied by Quick Performance as well. Told them what I was doing. They supply. All right, I got this side installed. I got this side coilover installed. I had to purchase these brackets right here to get them installed. Let me show you on the other side. They're not cheap. They're from UMI, specifically for 68 to 72 A-body cars utilizing or using a Quick Performance 9-inch like I have here. So it looks like bolts onto the lower control arm there. Anyways, I'm going to continue on, get this coilover on this side, tighten it all up, add some gear oil to the rear end, and then I'm going to put some tires on it, set it down on the ground for the first time on all four wheels in, I don't know, a year and a half. All right guys, I want to bring you back before I put the tires on. It's fully installed. There's the coilovers, the brackets that I got from UMI. Not cheap. If you're interested in knowing what those part numbers are and what it costs, let me know down in the comment section and I will let you know what those brackets are from UMI. Really nice piece. Not cheap. And the reason why I needed those, UMI offers those brackets for the 68 to 72 A body, specifically for the quick performance rear end. Now, I did an ABC Performance mini tub kit and narrowing, as you can see there, I have in my other videos. They come with brackets to weld onto your rear end. I'm gonna go get it. I'll be right back in a split second. There it is right there. So I ordered my quick performance rear end with the powder coated obviously. And so I'm not gonna be welding anything in. Plus I wasn't sure about the look of these brackets, but they go right here and they extend it out. The mounting point of the coilovers is extended about 4 inches from the housing. And that's what these UMI brackets do as well. So I could have saved money by not powder coating the rear end, welding on those brackets, then getting it powder coated. But I chose to do it this way. And really nice piece. These are Viking coilovers. I just filled it up with 3 quarts of gear oil in that fill hole there. Fill port, I should say, and it was really easy to do. But there it is. I'm gonna put some tires on this, lower it to the ground and see what the ride height is. Right now they're up 2 inches from there to there. But we'll see what it looks like. I'll bring you back when I get the wheels and tires on it. All right. Finally got it installed, obviously, with tires. I was trying to put on a larger set, like a 28 12.5 by 15s, but the offset is wrong and it won't fit. I don't know, can you see? Got all that room right there. Pretty good amount of room right there too, so yeah. There you go. That's the install of my quick performance 9-inch in my 1970 Monte Carlo. Thanks for watching. Please like this video. Give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate it. Doesn't cost you anything. And it helps me out. This is gonna do it for this part 10 of this Pro Touring build. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you liked, didn't like, any questions you might have. Be happy to answer the best to my ability. I'll see you guys on the next one.